Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to turn your Squarespace site into a powerful members-only experience? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through setting up Squarespace Member Areas. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to create exclusive spaces just for your subscribers, customers, or community, without any confusion or guesswork. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to squarespace.com and log into your dashboard. This is your starting point for everything on Squarespace, and it's where all the magic happens. If this is your first time logging in, don't worry. The interface is clean and intuitive. Once you're inside, you'll see a list of the websites you're managing, or if it's a new account, just a prompt to get started. Next, click on the website you want to add member areas to. This step seems simple, but it's crucial because if you have more than one site under your account, you want to make sure you're setting up members-only pages on the right one. After you select your site, you'll land on the main site dashboard. Now, over on the left-hand menu, look for the Pages tab and click it. This is the section where all the navigation and content of your website are organized. Think of it like the master plan for your site's layout. Everything from your homepage, about page, store, and now, private pages for members. The Pages panel is your gateway to organizing how visitors interact with your site. To add a new page for your member area, click the little plus icon. You'll usually find this at the bottom of your main page list or as a floating action button. Squarespace wants to make sure adding content feels easy. Clicking this gives you a bunch of page type options, but rather than picking a regular page or a store, you'll scroll down and select Member Area or Member Site, depending on your template and the version you're using. This is the special page type designed for gated content. It's what makes your new page accessible only to registered members. Once you select Member Site to create your private area, Squarespace will generate a fresh blank page for you. But before you dive in with editing, take a moment to view the page. This might seem trivial, but it's always a good idea to check what the default page looks like. That way, you'll spot any template quirks or layout features you might want to adjust. Imagine inviting someone into a VIP lounge. Before you decorate, you want to see the space. Now comes the fun part. Start editing your member area page. Squarespace gives you a drag-and-drop builder so you can add headers, text, images, videos, even forms. Take your time here. Ask yourself, what do I want my members to experience? Is it a resource library, a discussion area, a private storefront? The edit tools let you customize everything to suit your vision. And remember, you can always preview your changes as you go. If you're new to editing pages, don't worry. Editing on Squarespace is smooth and forgiving, and you won't break anything by experimenting. If you want to add a welcome message or upload exclusive documents, now's your chance. That's it. Once you're happy with your member area, you're all set to start offering private content. You can refine your site over time, add new member pages, set permissions, and grow your community. Setting up member areas on Squarespace is a fantastic way to build deeper relationships with your audience, share unique resources, or run a subscription-based business. Just remember, every great members-only space starts with those first steps. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel and lets me know these tutorials are helping you. Don't forget to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss our next how-to video. Thanks so much for watching, and happy building on Squarespace.